CATIA, how to define symmetric zones, missing features. So we see over here within operations, we have the possibility to use symmetric zones, which will be this one. Now, if you don't have this feature over here, as we can see, it will be located over here. Keep in mind that for CATIA v5, there are multiple versions, and this is the main problem. So I receive over here the following command. I try following your tutorial, but in my CATIA v5, the operation toolbar doesn't have the tool you used. I tried setting the tool position and content to defaults, but that's still missing. So this depends on the version of CATIA. As we can see over here, we have CATIA v5, and we have Imagine and Shape, which has slowly started to being developed over here. And they just added new features within the other versions over here. As we can see, R18, R19, R21, this is pretty popular. And this also has limited Imagine and Shape functionality. And we see over here the newer versions, which will be 3D Experience CATIA. Now, this is the main problem, that depending on the license that you have, some of the features will not be available. And this also difference with a software like Fusion, for example, because with this tool, regarding of the version that you have, when you acquire it, you will always have the latest version. But with CATIA, that's a little bit different. It highly depends on the version that you currently have. So over here, as you can see, we can also define symmetry. We can go for mirror internal. But the main advantage over here with Fusion is that we can use this mirror over here. As you can see, I have that mirror line now defined, but that will work on the whole part. So within CATIA, with zones, we can do something different. For example, over here, I already added over here a working zone. As we can see, if I will select that edge, everything will move over there. But this is that symmetric zone. I can have that deleted. And just like within my previous video, I can specify a different symmetric zone. So for example, I want those two to be on the first side, which will be zone 1. I'm going to go now to zone 2, and I will select those two. And yeah, now we can see that it will work like this. So we can make different symmetry patterns that will be specific to only stone faces. We can also have multiple symmetric zones, and we can enable them, or we can have them deactivated. For example, over here, I deactivated those, and now it will just work as default without any symmetric zones over here. So yeah, this is the main problem. So as you can see over here, those tools are missing because they're not within that build. So yeah, I also agree over here that CATIA has a steep learning curve. This is why I would recommend mostly Fusion, Imagine and Shape, since the software is a lot more affordable than Fusion, because the learning curve is not that high as within CATIA, and it's a lot easier to get started. And you will also have access to all of those features, so regardless on the version that that you have, since it will always be updated to the latest. That is something that doesn't happen for CATIA. So depending on the license that you have, you will be stuck with those tool of features. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. You're going to find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.